So this section is on conversion. So sometimes when you go to buy something, maybe you need it in cubic inches, but it's only sold in cubic yards, and you need to know what you need to purchase. So I'm going to pull up your notes. Let's go to 4.1 conversion factors. And these are all the conversion factors that we're going to need. So inches to ounces, yards to feet, pounds to tons. So we want 4 cubic yards to 4 cubic inches. So 4 cubic yards. And let's see if we can find a conversion factor for that. So this is cubic yards to cubic feet, and then cubic feet to cubic inches. All right, so let's use that one. I'm just going to copy this in so I don't have to keep going back and forth. So what we're going to do is set up a fraction. Don't freak out. Okay. Okay, so this is our start. And then right here, we want to put the true statement, which is one of these. Okay, and we're going to start with the one that has cubic yards. So this one. And what we want is we want the units to be diagonal. So I want cubic yards down here. So 1 cubic yard is equal to 27 cubic feet. And when those yards are diagonal, we cancel them out. Okay, and then we're going to keep going. Now we have cubic feet, but we want cubic inches. So same thing, we're going to put the next true statement right here. And diagonal, we want the units to match. So cubic feet. So 1 cubic foot equals 1728 cubic inches. Okay, so notice how all my units are gone except the one we want, cubic inches. And then this is a fraction. So on the numerator, this is our big fraction line. We have 4 times 27 times 1728. And then on the denominator, we have 1 and 1. So we don't even really need the denominator. Okay, and then we're going to calculate that. So 4 times 27 times 1728. And I'm not going to divide by 1 because it's not going to change the answer. There we go. 186, 624. That's our answer. So let's do another one. So now we want miles to yards. Okay, so I'm going to start with what we have, 5 miles. And now I need to go find that true statement. And I need miles right here. So what do I know about miles that can get me to yards? And here's what I have. Well, I have miles to feet and then feet to yards. Okay, so we're going to use those measurements or numbers. So 1 mile is equal to 5280 feet. Woohoo! So now we have feet, but we're going to yards. So same thing, diagonal, I want feet. And I'm going to use, now I'm going to use 3 feet is 1 yard. So I want you to notice that these are what we're given in our notes. We just write them up and down instead of with an equal sign. Okay, so now the only thing left is yards, and that's what I want. And now we have this big fraction. So on the top, I'm going to take 5 times 5280 times 1 divided by 1 times 3. And we're just going to type it in. So 5 times 5280 times 1, you don't really need the 1, divided by 1 times 3. So there's 8,800 yards in 5 miles. That's what we just found out. Alright, let's do another one. Cubic feet to cubic yards. Didn't we just do that one? Nope, we did inches. Okay, so we're starting with 54 cubic feet. I'll make my conversion. So diagonally, I need cubic feet. Let's go see what we have. I need a reminder. We're going to cubic yards. Well, that's perfect. We have that one right here. 27 cubic feet is 1 cubic yard. So there's our true statement. That's what we're given. And look what happens. We're already 2 cubic yards, so we get to stop there. Yay! So we still have our fraction, but now it's just 54 divided by 27, because that 1 doesn't change anything. Okay, so 54 divided by 27 is 2. So 2 cubic yards and 54 cubic feet. 3 tons is how many pounds? So again, we want tons right here, and we're going to go find that statement. 2,000 pounds is 1 ton. So 1 ton, 2,000 pounds. And we get to stop there. Our tons goes away, we're already to pounds. Yeah, so 3 times 2,000, 6,000. Oh, it went pretty quick. Okay, ounces to pounds, so 35 ounces. And again, I need to find ounces to pounds, hopefully. Right there, 16 ounces is 1 pound. And again, we get to stop there. We should have started with these ones. So 35 times 1 is 35, and then divide by 16. 2.1875. Round to the nearest tenth. That means 1 number after the decimal. So we're going to look next door. That's greater than 5, so this 1 changes to a 2. Good luck.